Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and use AI-powered meeting notes inside Notion step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create organized, searchable meeting notes that can automatically help summarize discussions, track important information, and improve your overall workflow. Whether you're managing team projects, client calls, or personal planning sessions, this setup can save you a significant amount of time. Let's get started. First, open your Notion workspace and create a new page. Give the page a simple title, such as Meeting Record, so it's easy to find later. This page will act as your central hub for storing and organizing all of your meeting information in one place. To make the page easier to recognize, you can also add an icon and cover image. For example, you might choose a calendar icon, microphone symbol, or notebook graphic, depending on the style you prefer. Small visual details like these help make your workspace feel cleaner and easier to navigate. Next, click inside the page and type AI Meeting Notes. Notion will automatically suggest the AI Meeting Notes feature as a block option. Select it to activate the tool. This feature allows Notion AI to help record, organize, transcribe, and summarize your meetings automatically, making it much easier to review important conversations later. After that, create a database for your meeting notes. You can name it something simple like Meeting Notes Database. Databases in Notion are extremely useful because they let you organize multiple meetings in one structured location. You can also customize the database by adding properties such as meeting date, attendees, project names, meeting status, priorities, or discussion topics. This makes it easier to filter, sort, and search through your past meetings whenever you need information quickly. Now head over to the Notion Settings panel and locate the AI section. Inside the AI settings, find the option for AI Meeting Notes and make sure the feature is enabled for your workspace. If you work with a team, you can also allow other workspace members to access and use AI meeting notes. This improves collaboration and ensures everyone can review shared meeting summaries and transcripts when needed. You may also notice an option called Store Audio Locally. Enabling this feature helps temporarily save audio on your device, which can be useful if your internet connection becomes unstable during longer meetings. Next, locate the Default Meetings Database setting. Here, select the database you just created. This tells Notion where all future meeting notes and transcripts should automatically be stored. Once everything is configured, your setup is complete. Now, whenever you start a meeting, you can simply open your meeting notes page, activate AI meeting notes, and let Notion handle the organization and summarization for you. Instead of manually writing everything down, you'll have searchable notes, automated summaries, and organized records all stored in one place. And that's it. You've successfully created a smart AI-powered meeting notes system inside Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you'd like to see more practical Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.